Hope we got enough power. Hadn't bought that extension yet.
Had a kombucha explosion. Oh my gosh! All right, guys, we've been to Blue Whale. We've did our side-by-siding research. We're mostly hitched up. Well, we're mostly packed up. We're about to hitch up. Enjoyed side-by-siding.
Yep, that was fun.
But now, where are we about to go, babe?
Saylwinds and Campground in Elkins.
We're going to
Virginia.
Saylwinds Campground in Elkins, Virginia. And why are we going?
So we can go to New River Gorge.
New River Gorge. And whitewater rafting! Yes! This will be our first time whitewater rafting. We'll see how excited we are after it's over.
Yeah, I think we can walk after.
So we're excited. We are excited. It should be a fun week. All right, you ready to get packed up?
2 weeks without having to move again, so that's going to be great.
It's been a while. It's been a couple of legs since we've had 2 weeks. So, all right, ready to get going?
Yes,
go.
Let's do it.
Do you need me to help you get out of here, or you got it?
I think we're fine.
Okay, do a light honk.
Ooh, that wasn't light.
Bye, Molly!
I know the gate's plenty wide enough, but I would feel better if it was wider. Dang. They're still coming. Ready to get on the road?
I think it's for this Tamarack thing, but I'm confused as to whether or not this Tamarack is the
Travel plaza.
travel plaza or
yeah,
not.
I think you're right. Thank you. Good call. I think it is.
There's more, it looks like there's more space down there.
Yeah, I keep thinking that every time. And there's not. But...
We're gonna look around and go up there and see what that is, or just look around here?
I guess. I don't see anything here.
Huh?
I don't see anything here.
That guy's heading over there.
Yeah. So here's the travel plaza over there. I guess it's under construction.
Yeah.
They got pictures and stuff
Rigs
of it,
and stuff. Let's see what that Tamarack place is.
Yeah.
If that is the
Marketplace. Cultural center. There's a food court, maybe.
Does it keep going?
Oh.
At least it don't say made in China. Some of it anyways.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. That's
cool.
crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, scan the code to see this chainsaw in action.
See the numbers from blinded. There's an extra plate underneath for you.
Okay,
right,
thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
There's a ditch over there, ain't there?
Yep. You got plenty of watch.
Well, it looks like that, and then it just heats it away. But yeah, I did. Love these one-lane roads going to all these campgrounds. There it is, right
What do we have here? Online reservations required for entry.
there. Okay, so this one.
What was that?
Just a rock getting kicked up or something.
Done some good clearing. Are we gonna be the only ones here?
Oh, somebody right there.
Oh.
But I was reading some reviews from just a few days ago. They said they had the spots to sell.
All right, this is site 1.
Oh.
You said 7?
Yeah, it's that one right there.
You want to get out and look?
Yeah.
Is it soft?
Not too bad.
What's up with this picnic table? Looks spooky.
Hope we got enough to power. Hadn't bought that extension yet for the power.
You haven't tried the extension for the
I said we haven't bought an extension for the power yet.
Do you think we have enough?
I think we, well, I don't know. We'll see. Come back as far as we can.
What do you think?
Let me stretch the cord out. I don't know if we're back far enough for to stretch the cord out and see.
Okay.
Here. Hold on, it's kind of, wait. Just thinking I needed to get this stretched out because it was getting all twisty.
Let me back up. Because you're going to have bending room too. Oh, it's going to go into the watchdog. I forgot. And then what about water?
Yeah, we got plenty of water hoses. Hadn't been used in a while.
The breaker tripped?
Oh, it was on. Shoot. Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
It's fine. All right.
Seeing what you got. Here, I'll step on it.
We got to come back a good bit more.
Okay. Sounds like somebody else is pulling in.
Yep. There's chicken on it. Good, how are you doing?
Toby.
Hi, I'm Lee.
Lee?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It's Valerie?
Hi, I'm Valerie. Nice to meet you.
Oh.
That's a big trailer.
Yeah.
Yep.
You guys get in all right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're just getting to where we can get our power cord to reach.
You need anything?
I think we're
No,
good.
I think we're
We're just
good.
going to back it on up a little more. That's where that reaches, and we should be set.
If you need anything, just give me.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
All
You
right.
guys have plans to do stuff, or?
No, we're going down the New River Gorge for the next weekend, but we don't have a lot of plans around here yet. Anyway, we'll see what's.
We need a break,
find.
so.
Yeah,
Oh,
we've been going and doing stuff all the time, so perfect spot to do nothing. It looks like.
It is. And you guys are here till June, correct?
We're here 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So I don't.
So we'll get a little bit busy over Memorial Day.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's next weekend. Yeah.
You just like me. I couldn't tell you what day it is.
We're finally set up. We had a little bit of a power problem a bit ago, but we're set up. This is our site. Let me show you this park. It's not really a park. I guess it's just kind of a campground, but look, we're the only individuals in the entire park. I don't think there is anyone in this little trailer right now. Completely surrounded by trees. The owner of the property stopped by after we were pulling in, and there's a trail to explore down around the corner, so we'll be doing that. And look, Lee has the door open, letting all the bugs in.
I was running the microwave in the toaster oven with all the air. Let me see if that voltage is going to drop again. It didn't.
Had a kombucha explosion. Kombucha exploded. It's made a mess. Refrigerator's angry. Oh, was it gone? Flashing? Is it doing it again?
Yeah, what's the E1? Is that?
I don't know. You've got ice. I mean, you've got fire.
I think it took it a minute to light. So the gas is fine. It should be plenty dry.
So try blowing it out and see if
I don't hear it beeping.
it's beeping. I hear it. Well, sit down for a minute because we don't. It's fine. Wait a second.
Ooh.
We're in the middle of nowhere, or it feels like we're in the middle of nowhere. We have hundreds of birds around us. We feel like we're in an aviary. Let me show you the drawbacks of having so many birds around. A little bit of evidence here. A whole lot of evidence here. And no, the driver's side did not escape being marked.
I guess they're sitting here on the edge and pecking at themselves.
Does it come off?
Who's the birdie bird? Who's the birdie bird? Who's the birdie bird? Yeah, looks like it. But it's on the mirrors too, and on this worse. They obviously like sitting
On the
in
mirror? Oh, on the mirror itself?
Yeah, I don't know how they've been doing that. Or the one over there it is.
Maybe they've been bending down over the top. Ooh. Maybe they don't like themselves. Oh my gosh! Holy cow!
I think it's maybe they're sitting up there. Maybe it's bird pee.
That's
Smell my
not
finger.
pee. It's not. That's not pee. Angry birds.
Myself. What are you looking at? I'm looking at you. What are you looking at?
Oh wait, that's not. Hang on. All right, let me see if I can get it off. See if it scratches. See if it scratches or not.
Maybe it's drool. Oh, you're so beautiful. They're just drooling all over it. Bird drool. Bird drool is probably full of worm guts and all kinds of stuff.
It's all over the glass.
Mm-hmm.
Holy crap!
I don't know. Well, I guess we need to get a big bag and cover the whole truck.
It looks like we'll be going to the car wash tomorrow. We have a camping trip in New River Gorge National Park. Lee's going to get a haircut because he feels like he's got to get a haircut before we go.
It's driving me insane. I can't take it anymore.
And this is the best choice for groceries and haircuts.
They don't have my haircut records here.
Got our camping supplies. Now we're about to wash the truck. Get all the bird food water.
If we hurry, we can get it washed before the rain comes. We can't.
No.
I guess we're gonna put towels over the windows or something so the birds can't see themselves.
Put some water in the bucket. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to speed it up. Trying to speed this along.
You know nothing about washing a vehicle, do you? When's the last time you washed a vehicle? Other than the last time we washed the truck.
Oh,
Do you feel like a new man with your new haircut and a clean truck?
I feel better. I feel like I don't want to pull my hair out at the moment, so that's good. That's all you get. Banana was solid. Where we go where the produce was like. We're some of the trashiest people every day.
Oh, wait. I'm not. Oh, there. Never mind. I got him.
That's
Never
good.
you mind.
Oh, we didn't get the brush.
What brush?
Scrubber.
What are you talking about?
Don't worry about it. I'll get it. I gotta go back for something.
We're headed to Gorge National Park. We're going to be there for a couple of days. We're actually going to go whitewater rafting. We're both pretty excited about it. The water's pretty high because it's been raining. Trying not to squish my popcorn. But guys, look. Look. This is what we have going on in the back of the truck. We're not even tent camping this time. We got a little rustic type cabin, which actually looks like a action building. We decided to stay in the park this time. We're close to the park and try lodgings next to the park. Oh shoot, forgot my water. But we didn't book them in time to get we didn't book it in time. I gotta get back in, babe.
We've already made a trip back in. I used the trip. Sorry.
Anyhow, we didn't book it in time to get a bougie lodge room. We got this action building with air conditioning that I think is going to suit us just fine. What do you think?
Yes.
Water. Oh, and kombucha.
That's all I need. Oh, and I need this light. And that's all I need. Oh, wait. I need this.
So, we're only 12 minutes late from our projected time, which is good for us.
As long as you don't take into the fact that it's actually 30 minutes further away than we thought it was. So,
oh, no, there was no we in that.
So
that's
that puts
you.
Everything's we, baby. So that puts us back on a normal 45-minute delay. And
plus, we have to stop for ice.
by the time we stop
because
for
we forgot
ice,
to get ice.
by the time we stop for ice, that'll make it an even hour delay. So
We moved some of those plugs
So we'll be right on track.
out of my cup holder.
Oh, this is your...
And I just asked you to move it. I didn't ask you what it was.
Why do you have a giant iPhone plug?
That's the one I bought right before you said, oh, they changed the plug. Remember, I walked out of the gas station to
Yeah, I just didn't
our
realize
very
it was
first
black.
Love's stop.
Didn't realize it was a black one.
You didn't realize it was what? Oh.
Black.
Well, I got it for black so you couldn't see it. But we're off. Let's go have some fun.
It's funny, everybody's coming here to get set up for camping and we're leaving.